How to fix Telegram app crashing on Android. If your Telegram app keeps crashing on Android, start by clearing the app's cache. Go to settings of the mobile and clear the cache of Telegram app. If clearing the cache does not help, try force stopping the app and reopening it. Sometimes apps need a reset to work properly. Make sure Telegram is updated to the latest version through the Google Play Store, as outdated versions may have bugs causing crashes. If the crashes continue, uninstall Telegram and reinstall it. Be sure your chats are backed up to the cloud before uninstalling to avoid losing data. Check if any other apps are conflicting with Telegram, especially battery saver or antivirus apps, and try temporarily disabling them. Do you experience classes on Telegram for Android? Tell me what worked for you in the comments below. Following these steps usually stops app crashes and keeps your Telegram experience smooth. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.